Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning some really cool stuff. That is, how to retarget your Mixamo character so that it uses root motion properly in Unreal Engine 5.4. So I always say root motion is the secret sauce for Unreal Engine. It what makes your game and gives it the entire animation motion throughout the world an extra dynamic layer. So that being said, let's begin. First things first, you'll need the first thing first. So I found this amazing plugin online called Terrible Studio Launcher, and I'll make sure to put a link in the description. So once you download this plugin and open and launch the launcher, it will lead you to this page. Over here in the home page, just click on Mixamo to Unreal Engine Converter and click play. For you, I think that will be the download button over here, but since I've already downloaded it, it's play. So left click to continue. Yeah. So once you are in this page, just keep it open, and I'll head over to Mixamo and download my character. So once your download is finished, head back to the launcher and you can enter the conversion process. Over here you will see nothing is there here at first, but we can fix that. So you'll see this button called Export Animations to Folder. Click on it, and this is where you want to copy your downloaded model to. And as soon as you do that, you will see the name of the model appear here. So Eve, and click here to convert the animations. That's it. And so this export should work perfectly with Unreal Engine. Well, let's try. So I bring the model in and no skeleton. Yeah. Just wait for it to finish importing. So once the import is done, you can see it has the root bone, it has everything, and so I already have imported all of Lyra's animation into my project. So let's try retargeting some Lyra animations into our character. So I'll open up the folder where all the animations are, and yeah. So I've opened up the folder where all the animations are, and you can just right click on any one of them and select retarget animation. Here you can select our skeleton. For me it's Eve. I'll select Eve and select any. Let's go for pistol jog. There you go. So if you see it, the root motion is perfectly fine. So I'll export the animations. Yeah, click on export and it's done. So you have your Mixamo character with root motion. So now some of you all will have like a weird bone sticking out from the root bone. That is nothing but this mesh. So you can just right click it and select remove selected from LOD 0 and below, and that will go away. It's nothing to worry about, but as of now your character uses root motion completely well. So if you found this video helpful and useful, do leave a like and subscribe. I plan on adding motion matching to a Mixamo character as well in the next one, and see how it goes from there.